two of them. There's two of them in there. There might be. I don't know. There's another one to its right, Trav. It might be. Just let it move. Yeah, there's another one to its right. Yep, it is. Son of a bitch. I wasn't expecting that. Well, there's another one to its right. There he is. It's not coming. Here he comes, here he comes. No. He's coming running. He's running. Oh. See, I told you there's two of them. You got the right, I got the left. Let him come out and feel. Unless you feel comfortable right now. Alright. Let him come out and feel. And mine's not feeling it. Alright, wait for the other one. Alright, hold on. You ready? 3, 2, woo! Woo! Now.